So today the husband is making
yes.
some, say hi.
Hi everybody.
So he is making some omelets for the kids. We have mushroom, tomatoes, green chilies, onions, mozzarella cheese, black pepper, salt, chaat masala by Sean. We have some butter, bread, and naturally eggs for the omelets. So he's adding 2 tablespoons of milk. This is whole milk, and according to him this will make the omelets very soft and spongy. So in the pan, what are you adding?
Mushrooms, tomatoes, onion, and green pepper. Olive oil, whichever you like.
Oh, you added in the eggs while beating. Any salt, any pepper, anything?
Just the salt and the milk. Red to it. One side. We just want to do it for a few minutes just to get the bread warmed up. Now you can see the bread is a little reddish now. What we do is add some
What is this?
chaat masala.
Oh, chaat masala. Sprinkle the chaat masala on top of the bread, and you're gonna add some shredded mozzarella cheese. Delish.
Have it, the 2 slices of bread, the omelet is ready to go. If you want, you can cut it in between. And whatever you like, you can add it in between. It's ready to go now.
Oh wow.
Whoever wants it.
We are adding some green bell peppers to it.
Okay.
So this is another variety, if you can see, with beef salami. Ooh, cool. And with some bell peppers. Cool. Bon appetit!